kitchen. Today I am going to teach you how to make vegetable raita. For making vegetable raita, we need 4 medium-sized potatoes, tomatoes, 4 medium-sized potatoes, 4 medium-sized cucumbers, 4 medium-sized radish, 1 kg yogurt, half cup of water, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now add some water and yogurt and mix it. Now we add the black pepper and salt in the yogurt. Now we mix it. Now we taste it. We add some more black pepper in it. Now we add some chaat masala in it. Then mix it. Now we mix all the vegetables in yogurt. First we add tomatoes. Then we add cucumber. Then we add potatoes. Then we add the radish. Now we mix all the vegetables together. Now we add some black pepper in it. Now mix it very well. Our vegetable raita is ready. Now we now serve it from. Now we serve it. Try it at home and enjoy it.